Welcome to Best RV channel. Niall Murray from Best RV in Turlock, California. Today I'm presenting you the new floor plan of Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 380WDR. It's a new, it is actually, I don't know how to say it. It is a house on wheels. If you want to live in a nice fifth wheel, this is the unit. 380WDR, which means washer dryers. Now, as you see, look how roomy this unit is. Still giving you the rear view windows. So it has the nice rear view windows with a lot of storage, a lot of cabinet with the European hinges. They close by them. You close and self-closing. Look how the storage. They give you the square window where, you see, look, it's not gonna slam. It's gonna self-closing. That's the beauty about it. Now, the rear view window, they give you a hide-a-bed sofa. You could sit 3 people on it. You could sit nice, easy, watch the TV. You have a nice table on both sides. You can put your laptop, books, water, drinks, your phone, whatsoever. There's a plug for your phone and 110 on both sides. So it's ready for you. If you have a laptop, you can plug it in here, work, watch TV. Also, this is a hide-a-bed sofa, which is turned to a bed. The windows, I love the windows because it gives you full privacy on the windows. As you see, nobody could see anything. Very privacy. Also, I don't have the stupid screws around the windows, and I cannot see, look, I cannot see the hardware of the window because they give you a really nice wood finishing framing around the window. That's the beauty about the Wildwood Heritage Glen. Easy to open. I could open portion if I want, or I could open all of it. That's the beauty. So it's still giving you the rear view window. It's giving you a nice theater seating. Look how big the theater seating. They're really comfy. I mean, especially if you're a big guy. Oh my God. And they lean all the way. Look, I'm almost sleeping on this theater seating. And then they have the middle console. So I have my water, another drink here. Push the switch, my USB plug. Lay down, sleep, snore, and then watch a movie or close it. Plus, if you say, Niall, we have people we take with me. Okay, no problem. Raise this up. Now it's almost 3 seats. You could sit 3 people if you want, or easy 2 people, and it's very open, very easy to use, and give you the concept of sofa as well theater seating. Now, this what is still the unit. Nice island with 2, 4. So the lady, where's my spaghetti? I'm ready to eat. Nice counter space. You could sit people here, like 4, watching the game, socialize, like 2 there, 3, and 2, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 people I could sit in this area with no problems. Easy to work on. I could use it more as a kitchen counter space. I could use it as more office if I want. No, why you want an office? You already have an office there. So you could use multi-function this one. And if you said, no, this is not enough, I need more. Okay, let me just put this latch. Voila. Look how big it is. Look how big this kitchen island or bar stool with islands where you could easy to walk around it. Look, I'm still walk around this island with no problem. I have more prepping area. Yeah, I have all this huge counter space, plus all this counter space, plus all these 2 counter space. You name it. It's a full house kitchen. And then with the nice light fixtures over here, and then again the switches on this light fixtures is somewhere here. Let me light it up for you so you could see what I'm talking about. Accent light. And you could see a beautiful lighting right there over this beautiful counter. I mean, this still the unit. This, it make this unit unique. Some competitor, they copy this floor plan by giving you a big circle in your living area and loose chair. This is solid wood. So this is, I want to emphasize that. Plus, if you're a traveling nurse, or if you work from your fifth wheel, you have a full office with a nice window. So when you work on your computers, beautiful window you can look up. You have doors for your papers, pencil tins. You have place for your tower, one tin for your laptop or copier machines, and all of that. So come with the rear view window, rear sofa, theater seating facing the TV and the fireplace, full office, so I don't have to delete the theater seating or delete sofa to get in the office. Full office, and next to it, standing pantry, full standing pantry. Ladies, you always say, where's my pantry? Even it has LED lights and adjustable shelf. I could remove them, put longer stuff, but again, a full pantry. Now I'm saving this to the last. I want you to come over here and see this beautiful backsplash with the high-end sink, three-way sink. Why? Because it has the waterfall, it has the cup rinse, high-rise faucet, cutting board, soap, solid service. It's not a composite. Big storage. I mean, I don't know what you're gonna put, how many plates you're gonna put in it. I mean, it's tons of storage. And people, they don't believe me. I don't have to spend $100,000 to get a dishwasher anymore. You have a dishwasher in this unit and you need more room, push this back, bring it down, voila, dishwasher. So you have full dishwasher in this unit. Place for scrub, more kitchen, cooking pans. I mean, you name it. Place in the top, cooking pans, tinsel doors, all this tinsel doors, nice prepping area and cabinet. All right, this is residential. Again, I don't have to buy 100,000 fifth wheel to gain all this. Heritage Glen, they give it into you on that price point, and you have all this high-end stuff. Big 4-burner residential. I could put a turkey in my oven, not a small oven. Place for your cooking pan trays. More doors, more cabinet, more storage. I mean, I don't know what to say more. 30-inch microwave, bigger fridge. One for fresh, one for freezer. And they give you another hidden pantry. You could put your booze, whatever you want to put. They give you a shelf behind that nice smart TV, and it's magnet and lock, secure. Nice fireplace lintel, fireplace 31-inch, Bluetooth speakers, you name it. It is a house. I have the living room, I have the kitchen, I have my office. But wait, that's what is gonna sell the unit. This particular room. This particular room. Look how beautiful this room. That's why they came with the name 380W, mean washer, DR, dryer. So I have a laundry room. Me, I enjoy the laundry room or a second bath. Why? Because I have the toilet, no problem with my knees. I have big sink, wash my hand, rise faucet, raise it, and this one. So when you wake up in the morning and the wife tell you, honey, let's do a laundry load. You're sitting here folding the clothes of the kids or your clothes of your wife, and nice look view in the forest, and you have full washer and dryer. And even if she say, could you iron my clothes? You have a counter space. You put the piece of cotton, plug it in your iron, and enjoy ironing your clothes. It's amazing. And then they give you place for your soap, you know, the iron, soap, whatever you want to use for laundry. Also, if you want something while you're doing the laundry, you want to hang things, they give you this nice, this smart. They thought about everything. We don't have this in the new houses. A shelf with hanging clothes when you're doing your dry. Always when you go buy a brand new house, what are they gonna give you? A room, and they say, here's where you hook up your washer and dryers. Nothing else. You're lucky you're getting a sink, maybe a small counter space. But look, they give you the cabinet, the LED light, the nicer sink, the porcelain toilet. And I admire whoever thought about this one. I have a shelf because when I take my clothes from the dryer, sometimes I want to hang them. So you could put your shirts, pants, do your dry clean, do your washing, drying. There's a nice shelf here. You could put your soap if you want, towels if you want. And if you want nobody see anything, voila, close it. You have a beautiful pocket door. It's actually a barn door, not a pocket door, barn door. This, what is this? Is the 380WDR. The one who ever thought about it is super genius, because the competitor, what they did, comparing other brands, they give you a stackable wash and dry here, small place, barely you could stand up in it. I mean, I could take you and show you if you want to. Barely you could walk on it, stackable wash and dryer, small sink, and no place to iron your clothes, no place to fold your clothes. Not a room, look how roomy it is. And that's what separates 380WDR from the other competitor we sell here. Who they give you a laundry room? But this one, brilliance. Coming down over here, we have a master RV King. So RV King with plugs on the phone on the side, the nice design of the two paneling, LED light, AC, a third AC here. Mirrors, ladies, even they give you the chair. You don't have to go buy a chair. Just sit, do the makeup, comb your hair, plug your hair dryers, you name it. Do your makeup over here, and they give you all that. Place for your makeup, jewelries, clothes, whatever you like to do here. Plus, you need more storage. Voila. Bins and more storage. This is a master suite bathroom. What do you need? 2 vanity, LED lights, big mirrors, solid service, a lot of doors, big doors, big doors. Nice porcelain toilet, no issue for the knees. Place for your towels, towel rack. 1-piece shower. Ladies, they could sit here, enjoy their business. Very roomy. And 1 piece. That's high-end quality. Coming over here, don't tell me you don't have enough storage. I'm inside the walk-in closet. It's a full walk-in closet, as you see, with shelf, with bins. See, bins, with wardrobe, hamper, laundry baskets, doors, socks, shirts, adjustable shelf. All this adjustable. You could do whatever you want to it. Full walk closet. This is a house on wheels. Full master bedroom, king size bedroom, full suite, and full laundry room, full living room, full kitchen. What do you want more than that? They give you everything. They give you everything. A full house on wheels. And what Best RV do? Give you the best and the lowest price you could find in the state of California on this unit. And no hidden fees. So run, turn your ignition in your car, drive to Best RV and grab this unit.